Kalalabas ko lang sa trabaho, alas 8 ng umaga. Pupunta ako sa police station para i-clear yung aking kotse at para matubos kasi baka hindi bayaran ng pulis ang kanilang pagkakamali. Tigok si Japit Boy sa malaking babayarin. Nandito ako ngayon sa police station. Nagko-complain ako. Kinuha yung mga documents ko. So sana pakinggan yung complaint ko. Police. Kinuha yung mga documents ko, i-check yung documents ko. Kasi nasa impounding car pa yung kotse ni Hana. May police talaga na hindi alam yung batas. At biktima, yan ang masama, yung ignorance of the law. Tapos nag-implement ka ng law. Yung victim mo, grabe yung hassle na epekto. Tamo, galing pa ako sa 12-hour shift. Dumiretso ako rito sa police station. Sana nga pakinggan at masolve ito ngayon. So yun siya na pumasok ngayon sa trabaho pero nag-tram siya. It takes 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ayos nga, tinulungan ako ng police. Kinulir niya yung kotse. Chinek niya lang yung documents ko. Ngayon pupunta na ako doon sa impounding garage para ma-claim yung car. At yung kung gusto ko raw kumuha ng reimbursement, mag-file ako ng complaint. Nag-file na ako ng complaint, wala pa silang response sa complaint. Pero inamin na nila yung pagkakamali nila. So tingnan natin in the future kung babayaran nila ako. Pero sa ngayon, dahil kailangan ko talaga ng kotse, kailangan talaga niya na yung kotse. So babayaran ko muna para ma-claim ko yung sasakyan. So nag-aantay ko rito ng bus. Yun. So yung bus na aking sakyan ay 2:05. So ilang minuto pa? 5 minutes pa. Salamat sa Diyos. Nagiging smooth ngayon yung lakad ko. Kahapon, grabe, hindi talaga ako natulog. Kasi pabalik-balik ako sa police station. Itong police station na to ay maganda matulungin. So inamin naman nila yung kasalanan nila, kaya tingnan natin. Yun, nakuha ko na yung kotse ni Hana. Minamaniho ko na pauwi. Tuwang-tuwa yun mamaya pag kasi kadalasan sa mga vehicle impounding dito, mahina na yung 6 days, 1 linggo bago nila makuha ang kanilang kotse. So ito sa akin, 2 araw lang, kahapon, ngayon nakuha ko kaagad kasi nga sila ang may kasalanan. Doon sa impounding, di ko lang makuha na ng camera. Sabi ko sa kanya, dapat alam niyo yung batas. Yung hassle na dinulot nyo sa amin. Sabi niya, private company kami, police ang may kasalanan, hindi kami. So yun, update ko kayo mamaya. Karating ko lang. So tawagan natin si Hana. Ihatid natin sa kanya yung magandang balita. Kasi 2 gabi din siyang hindi nakatulog. Talagang nag-alala siya. First time niya raw na magkaroon ng ganito na hindi na siya makapag-drive. Tawagan natin siya. Good news and bad news. There's a good news and bad news. Unahin natin yung good news para, diba?
Hey.
Are you at work?
Yeah.
How long did you get there?
Oh, I thinking 9:05. I was at work.
9:05?
Yeah.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah. It's nice.
So, did you walk a lot?
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. It's nice.
Right.
The distance is like from Abrahamos to home.
Yeah, I have good news and bad news.
Okay, so I wanna.
Good news. Good news. Okay, good news. I got your car back.
Okay.
It's here at home now.
Yeah.
So that's good news or bad news?
They didn't scratch it. Nothing.
No. Yeah.
What's the bad news?
Bad news. I don't think you can get your money back. I paid 192 pounds.
Yeah.
And the impound garage said in his entire life doing the business that police pays back their mistake. No.
Yeah. But we knew about that already, right?
Yeah, at least, yeah, but he was really said like, unbelievable, this police. They don't know that. In fact, if you're working in a traffic, as police traffic, you should have known which license is valid, which license is not valid.
No.
But unbelievable. Anyway, he said like, try to claim back. Maybe. You're the first one because...
Maybe.
Yeah. So, but I said the hassle. For me, the money is not. It's okay, like 192 pounds. But
Yeah.
the hassle and sleepless nights for you,
And
your wasted tears.
and my day, one day wasted.
Yeah, but you're paid, right? That yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took a day off yesterday because you're crying. Your eyes were swollen. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. What time you be home then? What time you gonna finish work?
I don't know. I don't know how long does it take to get.
So maybe 5 o'clock, 5:30.
Well, maybe. I'm counting maybe.
How much you pay for the tram?
6:10.
That's whole day?
Yeah, all day I have to.
Oh, is that bad?
No, bad if I need to do it every day.
Oh yeah, if you do it every day, then you will be kaput.
Yeah.
Right, darling, because I need to sleep. It's been 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hours. Japit boy is awake. So, grabe. Okay. Right, take it easy, yeah? Take it easy. Now you relax, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Love you.
You too. Bye.
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 Yeah. Masaya. Gabi talagang hindi siya nakatulog si Ana. Kaya nag-day off talaga siya kahapon. Dahil hindi siya nakatulog buong gabi. Umiiyak siya. Kung kilala niyo lang si Hana, mahina yung malambot ang kanyang puso. Oh my goodness. Paano na yung swimming ni Sofia? Paano na yung piano niya? Hindi ko na siya madadala sa piano niya, sa swimming club niya. Totoo nga naman. Anyway, that's all. I-update ko kayo kung anong mangyayari. Kung sa claim namin, makukuha namin yung pera uli. At kasi nag-complain talaga ako, nag-file ako ng complaint. The police should have known the rules, especially traffic rules. Especially when a police is assigned in a traffic. Like sa atin ata, yung parang LTO yan sila. LTO, sakop sila ng DVLA police o LTO pa rin sa ating mga LTO. Unbelievable. It's that simple. The DVLA, sabi nga ng DVLA sa akin, it's easy. If she wasn't sure, she just visit the DVLA website. It's there, written clearly that European driving license, European citizens can drive in England until they reach 70 years old, or until their license is expired. Grabe, okay. Matutulog na si Chapit Boy. Talagang galing ako sa 12 hours duty. Tama, naka-uniforme pa ako. Yung jacket ko, yung aking jacket yan. Yun lang yung ginamit ko. Labas tayo. Si Ana. Tinignan ni Ana yung kutsi. Andito na si Ana. So, tingnan ko kung ano yung rason kung bakit they pulled off Hana's along the on the way home. Tingnan natin yung rason. Darling, press the brake, yeah? On and off. Yeah. So, this is the reason. Ito gumagana. Ito hindi gumagana. Yeah. This one, brake light. Okay. I think this is right side.
Left side?
Right side doesn't work.
Right side.
So that's the reason why they pulled you off. So are you okay now?
Relief?
Yeah.
Relief?
Big relief.
Yeah.
So I'm going because I'm gonna change the lights.
It was very expensive.
This one?
No, I mean, yeah, the lights,
The light is cheap, I believe.
but all this
Hassle.
funny situation cost us lots of money.
Yes. Anyway, the most important is the police admitted their mistake, but
Yeah.
I am not sure if they will reimburse the money.
Yeah.
The garage advised me to sue them if I want the money be reimbursed, but if I want to be hassled, to be disturbed
Okay, I'll
for
park
just
the,
200 pounds.
I'll park the car there, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get my jacket and I'm going. Okay? Right. Ganyan talagang buhay. Yun. Minsan nagkakamali yung police, kaya para sa akin, forget about it. It's just 200 pounds. The most important to me is Hannah is safe and hindi na siya nag-alala na hindi siya makapag-drive to work. And at least, di ba? So yun, papalitan ko lang yung lights. Kaya naman kaming di off ngayon, kaya okay lang. So the what you call that, the mechanic was able to fix the light, so the car is okay now, and me and Sophia are going to
I don't know where we're going.
to mommy.
Oh, yeah.
She's in the city center, so pupunta kami doon, magba-brunch daw. Ang alam ko lang is breakfast and lunch. Hindi ko alam yung brunch. What is brunch?
I have no
Brunch.
idea. I have no idea.
It's like brunch. Brunch. B-R-U-C-H. Yeah, brunch. Okay, see you there, yeah? Cheers! Ingay. Parang celebration na rin ito sa pagiging stress-free ni Hannah ngayong araw. Kasi masaya siya at nakuha niya yung kotse niya. Yan siya, oh. Happy? Happy? How about you, Pingay? Happy? So we're waiting for our food. Parang kanya to, breakfast, lunch. Yeah. Lumipat kami ng table kasi doon banda kanina, malamig doon, malapit sa pinto, kaya lumipat kami rito.
We forget to mention that Sophia was with me in the car and she was absolutely calm.
Yeah, she was brave.
Yeah, she was very brave.
And she was comforting you.
Yeah, and she was consoling me.
Yeah, good job, Pinkay. Yeah.
She's my hero.
I'm reading the comments.
One hero.
Sophia is reading comments. What's the comments?
You need to convert Hannah's uni license to P license.
All right.
I like the comments.
Yeah, thank you for your comforting words for Hannah. Thank you very much. Hannah is so happy now. Yeah, na binabasa nila yung comments niyo, kaya ayan.
Yeah, because all our work just collapsed in few seconds, because I was thinking when he was telling me about the CC car, I was thinking, and I cannot drive. I was like, how am I gonna get Sophia to swimming classes? How am I gonna get Sophia to piano? How am I gonna get to work? So all my work collapsed, you know. I was thinking,
And you started crying.
and that's the point when I started crying.
And even the police was worried about you because you started crying.
Yeah, they wanna give me leave, but I refuse. But Sophia on the end of the day, she said, "Oh, why you didn't take the police car? Why you didn't take the offer of the police car to give us leave?" And I said, "I don't have experience to drive the police car."
That's what I said.
Sorry.
Okay, good job, Pinkay.
Maybe next time in the better occasion.
Yeah, maybe if like our car crashes down,
Yeah,
and then we save us,
yeah,
and we can drive the car.
yeah. Maybe in a different situation when police will come to save us.
Yeah. Omelette and Sophia's pancake and Anna's egg Benedict.
Sorry.
Wow. So, eating time. Laki ng plato. I like that pancake, Pinkay. Oh, kaya alam niyo na, si Chapit Boy ay low carb diet.
My healthy breakfast.
Nice? Good? Wow. Kain na ng kain. Yan. After stress. Very nice, Pinkay, no? I love it. Yeah, I love it, Pinkay. Nice one? Yeah. Good one, darling? Good food? Very nice. Okay, kain din ako. Kasi ako itlog to, eggs benedict at saka ham, sausage. Saka ano ba yung nilagay nila rito? Yan. Egg benedict. Ayos. Talagang sarap. Sarap lang breakfast lang sa to. Overall, this is my food all day.
Sophia, I can watch this pancake all day. Delicious.
Oh, boss. Bilis, oh. Sarap. Ako ang mahinang kumain. Sila, oh. So, dahil kahapon nga nakalabas kami, di ba? Nag-breakfast and lunch sa labas. So, stress-free na si Hana. At ngayon naman ay, siyempre magsisimba tayo kasi linggo. Tuwing linggo, nagsisimba kami. Especially si Hana at Sophia. Hindi lang ako nakakapagsimba pag galing ako sa panggabi, talagang hindi kaya. So, pero pag talagang hindi ako galing sa panggabi, ngayon ito. So, ngayong araw ay magsisimba kami. So, going to the church dahil salamat na rin sa Panginoon at stress-free na si Hana.
The coffee helped.
And especially tomorrow, Sophia is swimming for the gold.
Yeah.
My competition tomorrow.
Again, swimming competition, Sophia, tomorrow. At least maka-attend siya kasi may coach na.
Yeah,
At si Hana na rin, hindi na magta-tram. Kasi may kotse na siyang gagamitin. At least hindi na siya takot. At alam niyo na yung magiging rason. She knows what will be her defense to the police.
yeah, unless you're gonna find something else to do for me.
So we printed out the a paper from the DVLA that she could drive. And we printed out the insurance that her name is written there. So everything is okay now.
And the brake light is repaired, is fixed.
The brake light is fixed. So
Everything's fixed. I mean,
everything is fixed.
Everything is fixed.
So praying that the Lord will protect us and stress-free. Anyway, if you live in this world, you cannot be stress-free. But it depends on us how we handle stress. So that's all I can say.
Czech Republic, are we gonna move? When are we
We'll
going
talk
to
about that, of course, yes. Anyway, guys, one thing more. We read all your comments. It's just 2 minutes to reply, but we are so grateful and thankful for your wonderful comments. May mga harsh comments, gaya nito, pero okay lang. Yung pagkasabi niya, the way he said it, you have to hire lawyer. You are a bit like arrogant, rude. One guy, but in Tagalog he said it like may pagkamayabang ka kasi. So it's a bit, in English it's like I am arrogant, but I don't know in which part that I'm arrogant or mayabang. So sino ka man, salamat pa rin sa iyo. At least nanood ka ng aming video. Thank you for the support and continue supporting our small channel. Again, guys, happy Sunday to everyone and God bless. See you next time.